Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Hatke, and in this video I am going to discuss a setting management question based on blood relation. So let's start this video to see how to solve this type of questions to do it in less time. So just read our question. It is given that there is a family with 6 members all sitting around a circular table facing inside. There are 3 generations, and after that certain conditions are given, that is A is second to left of his son, 2 persons between F and F's father, B is daughter-in-law of D, E is unmarried female, sits second to right of her nephew, C immediate neighbor of his sister, D is mother of E, C is not married to D, and F and his grandmother sits immediate next to each other. Now, after reading the conditions, we can just solve this question by 2 parts. At first, you can solve the sitting arrangement portion, and along with this sitting arrangement portion, you can solve that blood relation portions. But in this question, I will be doing the blood relation questions first, since the conditions are such that we can solve them first. So, we will be do so. The first condition for our blood relation is B is daughter-in-law of D. B is daughter-in-law of D. Therefore, D has a son. Okay. Now, E is unmarried female. Sits second to right of her nephew. So, E a female and she has a nephew. Next, C is immediate next neighbor of his sister. Therefore, C has a sister. Sorry, it's okay for sister or for female. We are taking this circle. Okay, next D is mother of E. D is mother of E, and we know that E is a female and she has a nephew. Okay, and as we know that C has a sister, so okay, so might be this position gives us the value of C, or this is the position for C. Now it is given that D is mother of E. Okay, it's done. C is not married to D. Since C cannot be married to D, to position for C would be this one. Next, F and his grandmother. F and his grandmother, only this position can be taken by F, and the remaining one, A, is grandfather of F. So just draw this one properly. So our final arrangement would be A, his wife D, they have 2 child E, and C married to B, and they have a son named F. Now we have to solve the sitting arrangement portion using this blood relation or the other conditions. A sits second to left of his son. A's son is C, so A sits second to left of his son C, since all are facing towards center. Okay, only 2 persons sitting between F and his father. F's father is C, so C and H, between C and F 2 persons are there. Therefore, position for F would be this one. E sits second to right of our nephew. E's nephew is F. F's first, second. This gives us position for E. Now next is given that C is immediate neighbor of his sister. C is immediate neighbor of his sister. Yeah, it's true. D is mother of E, and C is not married to D. We have done all this. Now F and his grandmother. F and his grandmother, immediate neighbors. F's grandmother is D. Therefore, position for D would be this one, and position for B would be this one. So this is our final blood relation, and this is our final sitting arrangement. Hope you got the points clear. So thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more such videos.